Sige, since you're the last. Pwede ka mag-exchange any Rubik's. Palit natin to. What year? 1, 2, 3. Saan dito? Upper, lower? Palit natin sa iba. That's fine. You want to hear? This is the beautiful order that you want. Alright guys, palakpakan naman ng aking mga random people that have entered this one. Palakpakan natin sila. Listen. Most of the amazing things can be found in the most unlikely place. Naginiwala ka doon? Minsan, nandun lang siya, hindi mo pinapansin, pero siya na pala. Tama, kuya, tama. Tama, kuya. Minsan, nandun lang siya, hindi mo napapansin, pero siya na pala. Most of the amazing things in life can be found in the most unlikely place. Now, you found that you created the pattern that you think is beautiful, tama? As well as with you, engineer, you created a pattern that for you is beautiful. Kaya din po sa'yo, you created a pattern tingin mo beautiful. Now, binalik natin sa mga butas sa wall na feeling ninyo doon dapat ilagay. Tama po. Tapos I even ask you to change your mind, pero feel mo para doon talaga siya. Bakit po? May mga bagay-bagay na para sa'yo talaga. Eh ganun. Pag hindi para sa'yo, huwag mo ipilit. Bakit? Did we create something amazing, Dixon? Did we create something amazing? Amazing mo ba yung or random scattered color lang ito? Is it an amazing pattern or random color na nakalat-kalat? It's random color na kalat-kalat. In front of you. Sabi ko kanina, most of the amazing things can be found in the most unlikely place. Nasa harap mo, pero hindi mo nakikita sa likod. Ay nabuo ang pattern na walang ibang kundi si Superman. Palakpakan natin yung aking mga volunteer for creating a very beautiful image. Maraming salamat po. For the very first time, Daddy, kanina may mga cards ako, tama? Iba-ibang laruan. Namili si Daddy sa cards iba-iba. For the very first time, can you please show us what is the card that you have chosen? Is that other than pakita mo sa kanila? Listen. The card that your dad chose is none other than Super Mario. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much. Well, actually guys, lahat tayo connected. Ma'am, do you still have the paper? Can you throw it back to me? Huwag pa masasaktan. Marami nang nanakit sa akin. This paper, you were holding it the entire time. You threw it to her. Binato mo sa kanya, kay engineer. Binato mo kayo ng tama po. Pinalitan mo po ba ito? Hindi mo pinunasan ng kung ano man. Sure ka ba? Can you please open? Ito po ay galing sa bahay ko. Let's find out if this will be connected to everybody. Tayo buksan. Inside the paper is none other than the image of Super Mario. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Thank you all. Yan. So, andyan na ba si Rafael?